Well, this is not what I was expecting today at all. I think we might have missed our exit here. Welcome back to another episode of Where We Wild, and today we're gonna do a little day hike in Palos Verdes, I believe it is.
Yes.
Yes. So it's a nice day out. It's 60 degrees right now. It's about a 20 after 11 in the morning, and yeah, let's go on a little day hike. So we decided to, well, she decided to take a little pit stop. Where are we?
Wayfarer's Chapel.
Wayfarer's Chapel, and what is this place?
It's a really pretty all-glass chapel, and I thought it would just be nice to see.
Interesting. All right, well, let's check it out. Oh, this is pretty, babe.
So beautiful. Wait till you see the chapel.
Wow.
Isn't that beautiful?
No, it is pretty.
And then you see the ocean.
Oh. There's a lot of people get married here.
Yeah.
Very pretty. Did you bring me here because you're trying to get married here?
No, I just love it. I just love that it's all glass.
Yeah, it's pretty. Well, this is a very girly stop, isn't it? Jamie's inside taking pictures. It is very pretty. Did you get enough pictures?
One more.
I was expecting some sort of a nature hike. I didn't really think I'd end up at this resort type place. Babe, where the hell did you take me?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful, but I was expecting like woods and stuff. So this is your idea of a hike?
Well, no. But we'll get there.
Awesome, thank you.
It's like some sort of, I don't even know what the hell this place is called. Do you?
Terranea.
Terrania?
Yeah.
What is with all the wedding stuff?
Who wouldn't want to get married here? Look at it. Is it not beautiful?
You're messed up. Like you're just taking me all this wedding shit today.
I know. Look at how pretty. Oh my god, there's pampas grass.
What does that mean? Look at this one. Never mind. This is pretty though. I'd like to stay in one of those rooms.
Yeah.
Oh, the view.
This. I gotta take my jacket off.
Well, this is not what I was expecting today at all. I thought there'd be like, I think we might have missed our exit here for a nature hike. It's really crazy though. How pretty. Ah, there's a trail down there. There's a trail down there.
Yeah, that's what I need to get to. I just don't know how to get to it.
I don't really know how to get to it either. So we're on some sort of trail here, technically, I guess. I'm not sure.
So pretty.
It's a little warmer in the sun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa, that was a big dolphin over there. Yeah, straight ahead. Right in here, that just jumped up. These dolphins are feeding through this kelp, I guess, whatever it's called. Pretty. Whoa. So nice. There he is. Whoa, there's a bunch of them. 2 of them. I hope you guys can see that on this GoPro because that's as close as we're gonna get. Right there. And come up one more time. Just cruising. I really hope you saw those dolphins. You saw them, obviously.
Yeah, they
But
were
I hope you could see them on the GoPro because that was really cool. It is beautiful out.
Yeah.
They are again. Very cool. Really. Out in the middle of nowhere now, huh? Yeah. There's some humans. Oh, look, there's some buildings. We made it back to civilization. That's always cute.
So pretty.
Yeah, I mean, technically on the map, this is a
We're pretty much there.
trail. Oh,
Bluff Top Trail.
crazy. Very pretty though. Well, this is such a weird day. Went from like a hike to almost like a... we're still hiking. I wasn't expecting like this resort type place behind us and all these people. It's not that many people, but super pretty. All right, so yeah, I don't know. We were supposed to go. Did something fall?
No.
Yeah, I was expecting some sort of hike today.
I think this was better.
Yeah, this is actually really awesome. It's like dolphins and like this view is just insane.
Yeah.
But it's crazy. It's all right in front of this one trail. Is right in front of this big resort, and if
Really
you stare out
pretty.
there long enough, you're gonna see some whales for sure. Definitely. So I guess we'll just keep walking a little bit. We can either try to hit that over there, or we could walk back the other way. I'm not sure, but this is not what I was expecting today at all. I think there's a golf course up there too.
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's not exactly wild.
Yeah, I don't know if this is turning into like where we summer, where we winter. No, I don't know. Yeah, where we winter.
Yeah.
It's still January, is it not?
Yeah. But it's a beautiful trail, and
There's
the
trails all
views
over.
are remarkable.
And I think there's trails that like go up into those hills for
Yeah.
sure. But I'm actually a little relieved because I wasn't really in the mood for some like hardcore
Yeah.
nature hike today. This is kind of like perfect. You're getting the steps in, and
the whole loop there, like
The
to where
view.
we are and to where we started, is like 2.5 miles. So
yeah, it's nothing. But
still
there's
pretty good.
I saw there's like 5-mile ones, 7-mile ones.
Yeah.
So I guess we're just gonna keep exploring a little bit. But
But how could you not enjoy this?
no, it's awesome. I mean, what are we like an hour and a half away from where we are in
LA.
LA?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's awesome.
It works.
Well, back in the car, it wasn't really the most wild nature remote place we've ever been, but definitely beautiful.
Oh, stunning.
People getting married over there. It's crazy. I don't really even know. At the beginning of this video, I was like, oh, we're gonna go on a hike. It turned into, it was a hike, but
It was like we took the scenic route.
yeah, I mean,
It was just pretty. It
there
was
was
pretty and like civilized
yeah, it's
instead
weird.
of like super wild. But it was still gorgeous.
Yeah,
Those views were insane.
yeah, they were. And I hope the dolphins showed up in the video because that
Oh,
was,
man, that was so cool.
you can't get much closer to them than that, than being on a boat, really. But alright, well, it's back on the road. It's a fun day though.
It was.
Love you.
Love you.
Thanks for finding this place.
Yeah.
We will be back. Alright. Well, I don't know.
Bye.
Yeah, I guess that wraps it up for another Where We Wild video. Strange one today, and you got back-to-back beachy, oceany views, so hopefully you guys like that. I know I do. I love staring at that. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, you know what to do. Smash that like button, comment. Now, if you like it, you like it. You know, if you want to subscribe, go for it. Much appreciated. Just hope people enjoy the stuff that we're showing on the videos, and that's it. Pretty.